Hello everyone, this is Jyoti. You might have been confused by the words QUITE quiet and QUIET quiet. What is the difference between these two? Let us see. What is QUITE? QUITE is quiet. It means completely. It means completely. Or entirely, same meaning, completely or entirely, absolutely or utterly. The meaning of the word QUITE is this. What is the meaning of the word QUIET? Quiet. It means little or silent or no sound or no noise. See, these two spells the same, quite, but where to use, when to use, according to their meaning we use. See here for example we take, he is quite nervous. He is quite nervous. That means he is entirely, completely nervous. He cannot speak to the officer because he is nervous. Or you can say he is quite happy for her sister. He is quite happy, completely happy for his sister. Or you can say it's quite cold outside. Little or completely, it's quite cold outside. See here, quite. Meaning is, it means completely, entirely or absolutely or even utterly. UTTERLY, utterly, to speak. And here quite, QUIET, it means little, silent or no sound or no noise. See here examples. She is the quiet girl. That means she doesn't speak a lot. She speaks only little whenever necessary. It's a silent girl. Or you can say, we wanted a quiet ceremony. That means without any noise. We wanted a quiet ceremony. Ceremony is nothing but function. You can say, he was quiet for a few minutes. That means he was silent for few minutes. I hope you understood the difference between quiet and quiet. Both are same, but spellings are different and meanings are also different. Let us see it again. See here, difference between quiet and quiet. QUITE. It means completely, entirely, absolutely or utterly. For example, he is quite nervous. He is quite happy for his sister. It's quite cold outside. These three comes for meaning of completely, entirely or absolutely. When I come for quite, QUIET, it means a little sound or no sound, no noise, or simply we can say silent. For example, she is the quiet girl. We wanted a quiet ceremony. He was quiet for a few minutes. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Let's meet tomorrow again. Bye.